At this very instance, car chase scenes filmed in the movies changed forever as Steve McQueen chases the bad guys through the streets of San Francisco. I mean, you know, you've seen these types of streets, one jump after another jump after another jump as they go downhill, because what happens is you got the cars, the streets that come from the upper level of the hill down, and then the cross traffic has to have a way to get by, so that part's flat. So they come down the hill, hit the flat part, and then off the next hill, and it's just one jump after another jump after another jump. And don't think for a second that this car isn't modified, because the structural framing and everything in this car had to be modified for these jumps, for these high-speed corners and all that stuff. So it's just the way this car was done, the way this car scene was filmed, was just ahead of its time. It really was, and it changed car chases from that day on. And as a matter of fact, if you didn't know, Steve McQueen actually did most of the driving in the car chase scene, which is another, you know, amazing fact.
Original Bullitt Mustang. Has anybody seen that? That's one of those cars that seems to have just disappeared, is it?
And then it sort of just fell off the map, and nobody has seen it for about 40 years.
Original Mustang that Steve McQueen actually drove in Bullitt.
How you doing? I'm Jay.
Hey, Jay, Sean.
Hi, Sean. Can I get in?
Yes, sir.
This is the actual car!
1968 Bullitt movie Mustang.
So tell me how your dad acquired this car.
So in 1974, Dad was flipping through Road and Track, and in the back of it, it's said 1968 Mustang, Bullitt car, but it was misspelled as it said Bullitt. It was B-U-L-L-E-T-T. Dad actually was the only guy that called, and
really?
That was it. He showed up, he bought it, and he took off. Parked it, and I think it just kind of accidentally became a secret.
Sadly, Bob Kiernan passed away in 2014, but his son Sean was determined to get the car up and running. And with word of the new Bullitt's release, he decided it was time to share the family's secret.
We're here on the exact same street as my dad filmed on, and we're gonna be doing this for the next few days.
To protect the car, the setups start with the easier shots. Still, the suspension will be put to the test on day one.
All right, here we go. Roll camera.
My first build on Gas Monkey, be in San Francisco, doing the Bullitt chase, and I got the McQueens here. See?
And action run. Come on, come on, get on that. Action crash. Action, action.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Bullitt Mustang.
An incredible scene. 500.
Time starts
Matt
now.
Moravec,
Time starts
auctioneer
now. Not
at the
how much harder now. Somebody
controls
get
of what is
500,000 and started.
probably the single most significant and important car to hit the Mecum auction block since Mecum Auctions founded back in of dollars.
We have seen many very important cars cross the block here at Mecum, but never in front of a crowd this big that all stood up.